Bonjour, welcome to my channel. This morning, the wind walked beside me under the silver birch. Spring was everywhere. Laburnum swaying like golden lanterns. Lilac snow white and fragrant. Hawthorn in gentle bloom, caught in the breeze like a daydream. A quiet stop at the patisserie and a basket filled with tulips, fresh bread, and a little sweet treat. It's not just the errands, it's the rhythm of slow living. There is poetry in every petal and in the ritual of arranging them. A whisper of beauty, placed with care. Afternoon brings a soft kind of ceremony. Blackberry and sage to refresh, tomatoes, mozzarella, and olive oil kissed by the sun. A moment to sit and savor, because ordinary days are never truly ordinary. And though the sun came and went, today still felt like magic. Le printemps n'est pas une saison, c'est un état d'âme. Poème de Jacques Ferron.